Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Jean here, and I'm super duper excited for you guys today because I am doing a giveaway for you guys. It is giving back time, and I absolutely love giving back to you guys, especially to my loyal subscribers and loyal people who actually value my opinion and my videos as well. So this is for you guys, and I'm going to be doing giveaways periodically, like probably like once a week, twice a week, or depending how long the giveaway is. And actually, I'm giving away these brushes from my brush set, and you guys can choose any color. It comes in pinks and browns and this like neutral kind of color. And this brush holder is from Shop Bellamore. I did mention this in an earlier video, and you guys can go check that out. The links will be down below if you guys want to get this customized cup holder with my initial, but it wouldn't be with my initial, it'll be with yours. So yeah, these brushes are amazing. I use this on my face every day. As you can see, they're kind of dirty. I need to wash them. And basically, I'm going to be sharing with you guys basically my review and intake on these brushes, on how I use the brushes, the giveaway rules. I'm not going to bore you with all that blah blah blah, like this, go like that. No, all that will be in the description bar, but please follow all the giveaway rules for your giveaway entry to be valid. You can enter as many times as you want, comment as many times as you want, repost as many times as you want to increase your chances of winning. Someone who does it like once or twice, you really won't be seen over the overwhelming comments and stuff like that for people who actually do want it, because I take value in that. If someone's actually commenting every day and reposting every day, I feel as though they really do want it, and I feel as though they would deserve it the more than someone who just comment and okay, I really don't care, you know. So stick with the giveaway, you guys, and everything will be in the description box down below. So please read all the giveaway rules for your giveaway entry to be valid, okay? So these are the brushes that one lucky winner will be winning, and this is what the brushes look like. I'm going to go through them, try to quickly go through them because I don't want this video to be super long and I don't want to bore you guys. So I'm just going to keep it fun. So this first brush is basically, I use this for a face powder brush. I just powder my face with this brush along like my jawlines and my foreheads, my temples, more in the open big areas, so like the product can stimulate more so on that particular area. But for these two brushes, I do apply these on like the highlighted areas, like my highlighting on my cheekbones and my foreheads, because it's more precise and it will concentrate more on that highlighted area. It's a fan brush right here, and I actually use this for like illuminating face powder, or like more so like to highlight my face with like a bronzer. It also comes with like a mascara comb or an eyebrow comb, and it also comes with a spoolie as well, so you can actually blend your eyeshadow, not your eyeshadow, well, if you're using the eyeshadow on your eyebrow, or blend the product on your eyebrow to have more of a natural looking eyebrow. Okay, here is a mini fan brush, and that's what that looks like. They have like bigger size and smaller size, so it's like more precise on the type of eye look that you desire. And I absolutely love that it comes with a lot of flat eyeshadow brushes. And I absolutely love like this crease brush right here. I've been using this a lot lately, like for my looks. It also came with like sponge brushes as well. I really don't use this. I don't feel like the need of it. I feel as though these are for people who are like makeup artists and like they need to use it on a client. So it also comes with a lip brush and like an angled small brush. Oh, and also came with an eyeliner brush as well, so you can use like your liquid eyeliner for that. If you guys want to check out like the density of the brush and how well like it looks in light, and see how well it actually great quality it is, I feel as though this is a great quality brush set, and one lucky winner will receive this brush set, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out because I'm absolutely in love with it. And this can start off anybody who basically don't have a brush set. You have everything you basically need for your face right here, like seriously. So yeah, good luck to everybody. Again, thank you, My Brush Set, for sponsoring and hosting this giveaway for my awesome subscribers, because they truly are amazing and you truly do have amazing brush quality sets right here. So thank you again, and it was my pleasure to try it out for you guys and give you guys my honest opinion. And if you have any other questions, please comment down below. I think I covered everything. Thank you all for watching and for your amazing support. This is like my thank you for you guys, and I truly do appreciate you and your comments, and I just love giving back I just love giving advice to you guys. You guys are like my family. You guys are like sisters, my best friends, friends that I don't really have right now in my life. And you guys are always there for me, which I am thankful for that. And I would never let you guys down, ever. So, yeah, my throat is kind of like sore now. I've been talking like all day. I've been filming so many videos for you guys all day, and I feel like I need some water. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Follow me on all my social networks to keep updated on my everyday life. It will be also down below. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.